You are going to love the 2022 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, wheel covers, privacy glass, front wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, brake assist. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.